Topsoil is the uppermost layer of soil containing the nutrients and organic matter necessary for plant life. Without topsoil, we would not have 95% of our crops. An increase of just 1% of organic matter within topsoil can allow it to hold 20,000 more gallons of water per acre, which is great for farmers. In healthy topsoil, there's less of a need for synthetic fertilizers, which are known to cause harmful runoff. Harmful runoff also decreases biodiversity within multiple ecosystems. In order to maintain soil health and its ability to create food for us, we need topsoil.
Why is it important for soil to be healthy?
Okay, so topsoil is required for all plant life, and so therefore it's responsible for all food production in the world. So without healthy soils, we have no food production, and the one thing that all humans depend on is food. And so having and maintaining a healthy soil is critical for any nation to survive.
However, unethical agricultural practices such as monocropping and mechanical tilling have caused a lot of topsoil depletion. For example, in Australia, more than 4.4 billion tons of soil have been eroded due to poor practices. 325,000 kilometers have been eroded away into small streams, and the remaining land is bare and poor in nutrients. Monocropping is the practice of raising a single species of crop. It is widely used by farmers because it allows for more efficient planting and harvesting by requiring fewer specialized machines. However, these practices reduce organic matter in the soil, increase erosion, and cause the loss of biodiversity in soil. In addition, monocropping increases the risk of pests and diseases, so farmers must use larger amounts of pesticide and synthetic fertilizers, which can pollute nearby water sources. Mechanical tilling is another widely used practice because it is more efficient and less costly for farmers, even though the heavy machines used cause topsoil erosion and compaction.
Engineers are working tirelessly to combat these issues. They are working to build a healthy topsoil with new agricultural techniques and sustainable practices. One focus of engineers is regenerative agriculture, which is the reconstruction of organic matter in topsoil. Some of the implementations of this are growing cover crops and crop rotation. Experimentation has concluded that each variety of cover crop contributes unique benefits to the soil. The soil's characteristics will be subject to which type of cover crop can be used to best help the area. For instance, tubers are an excellent choice to break up dense soil and improve water holding capabilities. Certain varieties can even prevent types of fungi and diseases within the soil.
Our lab here at the National Soil and ASABE, one of our main focuses is developing cropping systems, conservation cropping systems. And so we're developing new tools for planting and establishing no-till or reduced tillage products so that we can actually get a good seed bed without plowing the soil. We've got a weed scientist whose main focus is worrying about weed control, because really the tool that allows us to do no-till is that we have a method to control weeds without having to plow the weeds. And so that is the main scientific advancement that has allowed us to move to a conservation or no-till.
Agricultural and biological engineers are also applying new technological techniques such as SWOT, which is Soil and Water Assessment Tool, to track and compute the soil erosion of a particular land sector. This model assesses soil erosion and predicts sedimentary runoff into lakes, rivers, and watersheds. The data collected will help engineers devise methods to reduce the area's topsoil loss. Working to prevent topsoil runoff will help reduce the loss of nutrients within the soil. While topsoil depletion is a significant societal issue, engineers are working to resolve these problems. If people, especially farmers, fully comprehend the severity of this situation and respond accordingly, we can preserve soil health for future generations.